Crispy on top, creamy inside. This baked sushi is so good. No sashimi-grade salmon needed. Super budget-friendly. Remove the skin. Pat it dry. Cut the salmon into bite-sized pieces. Whip up a quick teriyaki-style sauce. Add soy sauce. Splash of dark soy. Shaoxing wine. Honey. Oyster sauce. And a tablespoon of water. Mix well. Let it marinate for 5 minutes. Now for the sushi rice. Into hot steamed rice, add 1 tablespoon rice vinegar and 1 teaspoon sugar. Fluff and combine quickly. Spread the rice evenly in the air fry basket. Lay the marinated salmon on top. Keep it in a single layer. Air fry at 360°F for 8 minutes. Dice the avocado. Tuck it between the salmon pieces. Drizzle your favorite sauce. I'm using spicy mayo. Back in at the same temperature for 2 more minutes. Wait till you see the finish. Now grab the best partner, nori. Fold it, fold again, and cut into small sheets. Sprinkle scallions and sesame seeds on top. Dig in. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe for more simple recipes. See you in the next one.